Hey guys, Tony here from Nothing But Custom. Today we're going to be installing Adrenaline Offroad 8-piece rock light kit. So you can tell, Adrenaline Offroad. Hit the link down in the description if you want to get one of these. So we're just going to show you guys the rough install. We're not going to show you every little detail, but we are going to show you some small little things that you have to do to install this kit.
Okay guys, so first off, we'd like to find a spot where we can mount the receiver box. So as an example, what we're going to do on this one is we're going to use this double-sided tape, and then we're going to mount it right under here so that you won't be able to see it.
Well, as you can see, we now have one rock light there, one rock light up there, and we have the same thing on the other side here. One right there. So this fender liner on the other side just goes like this. This side kind of goes down or up more, which is interesting because the battery is right behind here. Thought you would think that it would go down more, but so it is actually in the exact same position. The fender liner is just a little different shape. Same with there. So now I'm just going to start working on the back, and then yeah, I'll throw a few photos in here right now of what the front looks like installed. So you'll see that, and then we will see you guys when I start recording some of the other parts there. Alright, so now that I've identified where I wanted the rock lights to go on the rear, now that I got them all dusty, I decided I need to take the inner fender out to be able to drill the holes, mount it up, and then run the wires properly. So I've got the inner fender out here. As you can see, it's nice and dirty, dusty. This guy's got some good rust going on here, but that's not the point. It's covered up by fender flare there. But so what I'm gonna do now is I want to mount them right in, kind of in the corner here, each one, so it shines down nice. You get some good reflection on the ground on each side, underneath. You get some good amount of light on the tire and on suspension. So I think it's all around a good spot. I always test them, just a rough test to make sure it's kind of an even light, or as even as you can get it. And then I go ahead and start doing what I'm doing here now. So we will continue this once I've mounted them, drilled the holes and mounted them. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll put it back up. Alright, as you can see, I got my big hole drilled so I can fit the wire through there, nice and easy. And my two smaller holes to mount the rock light. Same thing on this side. We'll get those mounted up and put this back in place. Alright, as you can see, we got them mounted up. Oh yeah, go follow us on Instagram. Forgot that was there. So yeah, we got them mounted up. I always run so that the LEDs are always the same way. That way you have more of a consistent light, all the way around. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wire this up and put the center fender back in, and then this side should be done. So as you can see here, from this angle you can't even see the rock lights, which is really sweet. You go up like that, and then you can see them. So I've got them tucked away nicely. I love that look. Still need to finish up putting that in and just kind of set it in place for now, just to see how it actually looked. And it looks good. I'm very happy with that. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. We got it set on green right now. It's daylight, so they're still shining nicely for how much light is in here. So yeah, got it all finished up. Sweet little Hummer. 2 rock lights there. 2 up there that are nice and hidden, and they're hidden on the other side the same. They're put the exact same on the other side. So yeah, there you guys go. Give you a little walk around here. Alright, thanks for watching this video, guys. Rock light kit is installed, 8-piece Adrenaline Offroad rock light kit, available on our website. Links in the description. Yeah, nothingbutcustom.ca. Go check it out. If you guys want a kit, buy it, we can ship it to you. Or if you're a local, we can install it for you too. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Or, I hope you enjoyed the video, I should say. See you next time.